As a woman in strength and conditioning, especially in a professional sport like football, I find that diversity, equity, and inclusion is very important. It creates a positive environment for everyone to feel included, valued, and respected, regardless of your gender, age, identity, and background. I've enjoyed every part of the program. I know that it's long days and long hours, but it does not feel like work. So this program has provided me the opportunity to get my foot in the door and kind of just a catalyst into the sports community in general. We got a lot of hands-on experience. I enjoyed working with the players and coaches. Everyone was super welcoming. I've learned a lot and I really appreciate everyone here. I think just don't be intimidated. Everybody here is super welcoming. So as long as you're passionate about football and you show that you truly love the sport and care about the team, everybody will respect you and support you in your role. Shout out to Securian Canada for this sponsorship. We really appreciate it as interns because this was an amazing opportunity.